Hey, welcome back to part 2. Don't know why my camera just cut on me like that, but this was part 2 of the Amazon ECOSiP reusable straw. So yeah, so here's how big it is. Okay, I'm just gonna try to get this best as I can in the camera here and show you. That's the size of the product. You know, that the product comes in. Like, you've seen it on a shelf, which I haven't seen it in any shelves in any survival gear places or anything like that. And this is the package that came in. Here it is compared to my hand. Yeah, kind of like, why did they need this? But, you know, I'm glad it was absolutely 100% free. I did not have to pay shipping because, number one, I do not have a credit card. So there's no way that I could go and do any freaking green dot PayPal type of thing. So, Amazon, free be free. As in, getting a free sample at the store, you know. Yeah. So here it is, and let's move the packaging out of the way that it came in. And, you know, just tail at it. Now, it looks like I got the blue one right here, which you can see the color of it. So it's the ECOSiP COLLAPSiBLE STRAW. Kind of shows you a little bit on the side here about it. FDA, I guess, approved. But save our oceans type of deal. You think they would be like save the planet, but no, they're like oceans. Okay. And I don't think my camera could zoom in to read all this text. I'm trying to see. I guess that's best that the camera could zoom in on. Anyway, I'm just going to try reading it best I can off camera here. Over 5 million plastic straws are used daily in America alone. Plastic straws are too small and lightweight to be separated during the recycling process. Okay? So they eventually end up in our oceans, polluting the water and killing marine life. We at ECOSiP have developed a reusable, light, and compact straw that is eco-friendly in an effort to encourage people to stop using plastic straws for good. If we do not change our habits, there will be more plastic in the ocean than fish by the year 2050, so 2050. So yeah. So let's get it out of its little box patches here and take a look at it. So you get a little keychain to carry it on, and it's in its little case. Let me get the camera quick a little bit better. There we go. So yeah, so pretty much it's like, boom, a plastic straw. But is it a one-time use for a way? No, you could keep on using this straw. Now, there's only been 2 videos of this here on YouTube. One is the actual product here, which their case actually looks a little bit better. And looking on the website, the case looks a little bit better. Not better. Yeah, come on. Bitter on YouTube. So, yeah, there's that. Where it looks a little bit better, but the case is really, really small. Yeah, and then you had a little hole here on the side, which, you know, you just kind of put it through, which, let me give it enough slack. And something I noticed, a lot of these things don't like to loop through, so you might want to use a bit of a toothpick. Haha, toothpick, remember that little comic show, you know, free cocktail sausage wieners on toothpicks in the store? Yeah. See, the toothpick, it has a little role to play in there, you know. And then just do it like that, and there you go. You can put it on your keys. Why, I don't know, but yay. Let's open it up. Now there is a little magnet there and there. So this actually has, when you close it, It sounds like there's double locking, like, you know, a lock for the magnet system and a lock for the little latch here, but it's actually not, it's just for the magnet. Which is kind of weird because it sounds like it has a double latch locking feature on there, but I'm pretty sure it's just one. So here's the straw. And you just connect it together just like, you know, with those fold-up canes that people used to walk with, and yeah. As you can see, what is in here, it's kind of stretchy plastic. I want to say it's probably something more into a bike tire inner tube, like the inner tube in a bike tower, not tower, tire. Yeah. Anyway, it's kind of like something like that, like the rubber to this, to kind of give you an idea of it. Now it's in 4 parts. You have 1, 2. Let me move this over here. 3 and 4. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. Now the top piece here is like silicone rubber. It does say ECOSiP on there for the name, which I know you can't see it too good on camera here, but right there it does say ECOSiP, just like how it says right there. And the bottom is the same rubber, so you could use it this way or this way, you know. And what else comes in here? I'm guessing this is the new version that they use, because the one on YouTube that you've probably seen, if you didn't, go check it out. They had this as a thin piece of wire. It almost looks like a little fishing line. That's what I would say the wire looked like. A black little fishing line, where it's very small and thin. This one, it's on like the steel little bending wire, which is a little bit thicker. It almost seems like a very thick, maybe not a guitar, but almost like a string for a bass. So if you play like doom 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 doom, you know, a bass guitar, that's what the string almost looks like, because it's way too big to be a string for a regular guitar. Maybe nah, it wouldn't be for like an acoustic guitar. But what you do is you throw it in this way. So make sure to clean this. Take this little end, put it in here. Okay. If I could get this line up. Okay, maybe a little too bent here, but we'll try it. Come on. So if it doesn't go in, just slowly keep pushing it in. Like now it's kind of got hung up on something in here. I don't know what the heck's getting caught up on. But anyway, the idea is you push it in one way, and this bit here, which has a little piece of rubber on there, you pull it out and through. So pretty much you put it like this, and then you pull it through, and that gets all the dirty gut out of it. So just remember, don't push it in this way. You want to make sure this little wire piece goes in the straw first, and then you pull it out through this way. So the last thing you want through the straw is this. Because if you put this one in first, it's not going to do a thing. So you do get a little cleaning tool in there. And just to show you that, yes, this works, I am going to demonstrate this. So let's get some tea, pour it in clear glass here. Yeah, that's a little too much, but oh well. So we all know weather straw. You drink it, it's good, you know, like that, right? Aha, this straw. So let me try to get in as best I can. Okay. Huh. Is there a certain way that this gotta go? Okay, this one's not actually working. Good to know. 15 bucks does not work. The other guy's, his work very, very great on YouTube here. Okay, one of the little joints in here, in the middle section, it's really tight. So I know that's cutting off the airflow in here. So let me give it a little squeeze and let's try it again. Take 2 on this, hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so definitely that works. So, okay, if you put it in there and it doesn't work, just kind of break it open like this and check the little plastic, because this one right here was actually like almost sealed, like heat sealed. That's why no air was coming in. So I just grabbed it, kind of gave it a little squeeze, and it worked. So I'm going to actually do this again, just so you can see that it does work. So glass is filled, not all the way to the top, but enough where you can see. And delicious. That crushed my thirst. So yeah, it does, do its job. Now, hopefully this will work now, because that little piece in there. Oh my God, it works. So when you start seeing it come out of the end, that's how you know you did it right. And I'm going to put my glass over here just so it doesn't go in there. So remember, plastic piece goes in and you want to put the wire in first. Do not put the plastic plunger piece in first. So again, you might want to do this like 2 or 3 times. So it goes in like that. Make sure that comes out and then grab it, pull it,